This is a Blender interface here. Now in this video I will guide you how to download and install Blender in your Windows. First you can open your any favorite browser and click on search button and type Blender download and click to search. You can see a first website blender.org. Click to open. Now if a device you can use, select device you can use for Blender and download the setup. I using Windows. Now I select Windows and click on download Blender now. Please wait for downloading is started. Now I click on download start download. Now I click on start download. Please wait for downloaded is complete. Now my downloading file. Now you can see my downloading is completed and click to open a file and click on next button and now escape terms and condition and click on next and click on install button. Please wait your Blender is installing and click on yes. Now your Blender is installing. Please wait a while minute. Now Blender is installing. Please wait for loading files of Blender. Now Blender installed successfully. Click on finish and now I open up Blender. Click to open Blender and now you can see the Blender interface here. Now you can use your Blender and thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this.